Biking 101 by Blue Line 5.0. Damn it, boy, professional. Damn it. Authority. That one was with authority, man. Hell yeah.
Same one I caught.
Anything on it?
I just threw the one in the middle out. Yes.
Hey, Ray's kicking your ass.
Making him a dangerous man there, Philip.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Ray from Blue Lions 5.0. Today I'm at the Royal City and I'm being accompanied with good friends here. In the background you can see Captain Zamora back there, and right here to my left you'll see co-captain Fernandez here. You see him in action. And we're having a good time. It's a little foggy, but we're managing to do a little fishing out here and see what happens. You guys keep watching, all right?
To tell the truth, it never thrilled me.
Hey.
I don't wanna rock and roll no
First catch
more.
of the day. It's pretty small, but
Country music,
I don't
country
wanna
trout.
rock and roll.
Trout. Wait.
I don't need that whiskey anymore.
oh yeah, switch our country.
At least not the way I did. Whiskey been hellbound.
That'll get.
You're honest. You take it off from the piece. You're gonna drop out right there, dude. A little bit better.
Might make it.
In the land of smoke and mirrors, I do my best to just steer clear of my yesterdays. I've been running so long now, running from myself, tired of running away.
Thank you for joining me for another episode of Blue Lines 5.0. It was a great day here at the Royal City. Did a little fishing, and we got some trouts, a couple keepers. My buddy back there in the back, Fernandez, did a great job bringing them in. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video. Until next time, guys, we'll see you. Thank you for watching.